Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. In Sanskrit, guna means rope. Whether you are tied with a gold chain, iron chain, or a jute rope, you are bound. How to be free? Yoga of three gunas. Chapter 14, Shloka 14. If the embodied one meets with death, when sattva is predominant, then he attains to the spotless worlds of the knowers of the highest.
Chapter 14, Shloka 14. Yada sattve pravruddhetu pralayam yati dehaprit tadotamavidam lokan amalan pratipadyate.
Chapter 14, Shloka 14. Whatever life is obtained after death is caused by the quality and quantity of desires and attachments as determined by the gunas. Death is the destiny of the body in me and not a tragedy of my ever existing personality. I, as my subtle body, move out of the present physical structure when I have exhausted my purpose with the present body to pursue the resultant of my thoughts which I had in life while acting through the body. The quality of thoughts is influenced by the type of guna that influences the inner makeup. Therefore, the predominant guna cultivated by each one of us through the life of activities and thoughts should determine the direction and the range of the disembodied in its flight to the beyond after its release from the body. What is the direction in which the subtle body of a dead one will move after death? There is continuity of thought life in this embodiment. Every moment is an extension of the previous moment's thoughts. The continuous development and growth connecting the past, the present, and the future into an unbroken flow does not end with death, but continues in another embodiment. Therefore, the type of thoughts entertained during our lifetime should determine the type of thoughts we will entertain soon after our departure from this physical structure. The direction in which it will make its flight is determined by the type of training it had acquired during the present state here. If sattva predominates, then he attains to the spotless regions of the knowers of the highest realm of abundant joy, unaffected by any excessive rajas and tamas, is a realm of the Creator, Brahma Lok, supremely happy and extremely creative. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.